Good afternoon and welcome to the Bitcoin Price Review channel. It is Tuesday, April 14th, and I was in a long position from here and I got stopped out and rightly lost a little bit of money on that. But the reason I'm making this video right now is a big thank you out to Roger for sending in a 0.022 Bitcoin tip, which amounts to about $6 Canadian. I appreciate that. But today, instead of adding it to my Bitfinex account and trading it, instead I'm going to transfer that Bitcoin and I'm going to turn it into a precious metal. And I have another channel where I pay attention to the price of gold and silver and platinum and palladium. So I pulled up those charts and let's take a look at them. Here we have the monthly charts for gold, where the prices have come up, made a nice 1, 2, 3 top formation, broke down on the monthlies, and they've come down nicely. So selling short out of that monthly on that top formation would have been very nice. Over a 2-year period, you'd have to really be patient on that trade. Let's take a look at silver. Silver's also made a top formation around the same time 2 years ago, but silver has retraced back quite a bit more than gold has. It's really come back almost to the same level of prices that it was back in 2008. Where gold really didn't come back to 2008 price levels. It only came back to 2011, 2010 price levels. So I think from the two of those, silver's looking more inviting for a buy position right now. Let's take a look at, what do we have? Palladium here. Wow. Crazy. Over the monthlies, that's still really an amazing trend. And it's made a top formation here, but really hard to trade this one. It's on its way down. I don't know what's going on with this market. I would say it's going down further. And here we have platinum, which on the monthlies is making a 1, 2, 3 top formation, and it's just broken down below that. So I would say that platinum prices are going down, or palladium prices, I'm sorry, are going down from here. So it looks like to me that silver is in a bottom formation. Let's zoom into the weeklies on this silver that's looking inviting. And this is, again, another 1, 2, 3 bottom formation. And if prices break above the $18, I see them going on an uptrend from there. And you can see how this came down from the downtrend. It's trying to make a 1, 2, 3 bottom formation, but didn't in all this time, in all this almost an entire year of time. You could have been watching and watching and watching for a bottom formation to confirm itself here, only to watch prices slide and break down below the lowest lows from back in, looks like July or June. And now prices over a several month period have come down and made a low, come up to this important resistance level and touched it, came down again, did not go lower than these levels, and is showing a little bit of strength right here. So this is giving me an idea that it's in the long term, in the monthly period time frame, it's going to be going up. So over a couple of years period, if we go back to the monthly chart, I would say that silver would be retracing to the 50% level to the $30 mark over the next year. And so my goal is to take my $5 or $6 Canadian worth of Bitcoin, turn it into silver, and watch that over the next year, that $5 turn into $15. So let's go and take a look at how to do that. It's actually really easy to add funds to your account. All you need is the Bitcoin address, and then head over to Coinbase, where my other wallet is. I'm going to send to that Bitcoin address And here we are with the transaction listed as pending from this account in my Coinbase. When I go over to Bitreserve, it says that the transaction is pending and it'll be confirmed in 1 hour. And here we are a little while later, and the silver has been confirmed, where I've got 0.2798 ounces of silver. How many grams of silver is this? So I have 7.93 grams of silver right now in my Bitreserve account. So I put in, the total transaction is there, and this is the value right now. And what this is actually the value of the silver. When I look down here, here's the exchange rate, the total Bitcoin value of this amount of silver. So this amount of silver stays the same, and every 10 seconds or 15 seconds or something, the exchange rate tells me what value of Bitcoin I have available in this silver. And that's my total of all of my cards is right here, because I only have money in silver. I hope you found this video helpful, and let me know your results with investing in silver, gold, palladium, and platinum by using Bitcoin and Bitreserve.